This video explains how to install the iDraw Inkscape extension on macOS. Before installing the extension, you need to install the Inkscape software. If not, please go to the Inkscape official website to install it. Open the browser and enter the website. To the bottom of the page, click Download Software or User Manual. Select the iDraw series. Select Mac version. Download the extension compressed file. Open the folder where the file is located. Double-click this compressed file. Copy all the files in the folder. Open Inkscape. Click Inkscape in the upper left corner. Select Settings. Open the Extensions folder in the System directory. Paste all the files you just copied into this folder. Restart Inkscape. In the expansion directory, there are iDraw 2.0 control, iDraw HSE control. Choose the corresponding expansion control machine according to your actual model.